Welcome to Modern E-commerce Store in PHP and MySQL from computerfever.com. I am Muhammad Tahir Ahmed, your online instructor. Friend, this is the second section introduction video, and this is the first section introduction video, and these are the lectures of first section lectures of this course, Modern E-commerce Store in PHP and MySQL with Bootstrap. And second section will be started right after the closing of this first section. So friend, first section is not constituted on 40 videos, just I have now uploaded 40 videos. It has constituted on 178 videos. So friend, if you want to know anything about the first section, so you will have to watch this first section introduction video. In first section, I will make this theme. This complete modern e-commerce theme will be made in first section, which have been told everything about this theme in this first section introduction video. And in this second section, actually I would like to show you this newly modified and updated theme. For example, if I go to shop page, this is that theme actually, sorry. If I go to shop page, so you will see that these are the filters: manufacturer filters, categories filters, and type filters. So if I click over, for example, Omri Liba, then Omri Liba manufacturer products will be shown. And if I click over sweater, then inside the categories, then all the sweater which are inside these categories will begin to show. This is the first thing which was made in first section. So friend, if I come here, so I was saying you that this kind of advanced level filters will be made. And if I come to first section, if I go to shop page, there are only two categories. One is product categories and second one is the categories. But in this updated theme, I have made the manufacturer categories, and in the same way categories, and third one is types. So these filters will be made in this second section, and I will tell you that how can you make these filters. If I click over others, then the others products also will be shown. If there will be no image, then no image will be shown. And secondly, these labels, you are watching that these labels will be shown dynamically over all the products which are not being shown over here inside these products. So these labels will be shown. So friend, the other important thing which will be updated to here, so if I click over view detail, so now you will watch that two prices are being shown. First is MSRP price and second one is sale price. If I go over shop again, then you can watch here two prices. If you appoint the one price sale, then only one price will be shown, and if you appoint the two prices, one is sale price and second the real price, then two prices, actual price will be strike through and the other price will be shown. But in this theme, the first section theme, only one price is being shown. So friend, this is the second updated which I have made. And now if I click over the view details, then I would like to show you that this image has been made and widened, and all these icons will be shown here dynamically, and you will be able to increase any icons here. And second thing, if you have two images, then two images will be shown here. If one image, then only one image. If three images, then three images will be shown. And then all these tabs have been added, like these features, system requirements, sound and videos. This update also has been made in this theme. So now you will be able to upload the video and upload the audio in this sounds and videos, and these tabs have been added and everything is dynamic. If I go to the contact us page, I show you this captcha code also has been added. I will tell you that how can you make this captcha code, and this is select inquiry type. Select inquiry type. Now you can add unlimited inquiry types, whatever you want to here dynamically. So this inquiry types also has been added in it. I would like to show you now everything in detail. So this services page also has been made in it. I would like to show you that this services page, these icons, everything. So if I come to you in the same way, I would like to show you that this terms and condition page also has been made here dynamically. If I go to the services page, then I would like to show you that all these buttons and these buttons also have been added dynamically. So I would like to show you it is admin panel, and I would like to show you everything in detail. And if I go to one more thing, if I go to items in cart, now you will be able to change the price because I have used the Ajax and jQuery. Now you would like to change the quantity and price in cart page 2. For example, here is the 3 items in cart and its price is 168, and if I change it to 2, then automatically its price will be changed. So now user has the facility to change the quantity from the cart page. If here I write, now you watch that its price is 168. If I write here just 1, now its price has been changed to 56. And the same changes are also being made here too. You also watch here that if I increase its price to once again 5, now you watch that here prices are also being changed, and here two prices are being changed. So all these latest functionalities have been added in this updated and modified theme. The same way I would like to show you it is admin panel. First I go to the home page. So I go to admin panel. So this is the dashboard. So friend, if you want to change these slides, if I go here to this home page, this is the modified theme, these are the slides. So you will go to admin panel and I take the scroll bar down, these are the slides. I click over insert slide. You will be able to insert slide. You will write the slide name here, you will choose an image and you will give a URL here. That URL where the user will click. When the user will click over these images, then if you want to send user on a specific pages, so very easily you will just write the URL here in admin panel, and this URL automatically will be pointed to all these one by one different slides. So this functionality also has been made in it is admin panel for making the admin an ease to point URL to any slide image. So if I go back to slide and if I click over view slides, then you watch that all these 4 slides are being shown, and you can edit, you can delete any slide from here and you can edit any slide from here. So you can change the URL here, like this is I have given my site URL, and you can change the image here, you can change the slide name also. So now if I go back to dashboard and I go to my store page, now the second things are these boxes. These boxes also have been made the functionality dynamic. If I go to admin panel and I go to boxes section, this is the boxes section. If I click over it, the insert box, you can give a box title here. This is the title. We love our customers. You can title and you can write description and you will insert a box here. And if I click to view boxes, and you can watch all these 3 boxes are being shown here. You can delete any box from here and you can edit any box through your admin panel, title and box description. So friend, I go back to dashboard and I go back to my theme. Now the products turn have come. So these are the products. So for showing you the product, it's better that I go to the shop page. So first of all, I have made these filters, and then I will tell you that how can you make these filters with the systems of Ajax and jQuery and PHP. So everything, and how you can fit them in PHP. So friend, now I would like to show you that these products and these labels, that how can you insert products and labels. So I go to admin panel, and this is the products. If I click over insert product, so you will write here product title, you will write here product permalink. So one very good thing is here, like if I come here to this theme, you are watching that if I click over this product, now you can watch that this is the name Raymond Bag, and this you can watch Raymond Bag. Now you can appoint an SEO friendly permalink to your any product through this theme. This theme which I made first in first section. Here if I click over any product, like if I click over this product, now you watch that this permalink is not SEO friendly, like it is the question mark pro_id is equal to 8. But this newly made and updated theme, I have given it, assigned it this SEO friendly permalink, whatever you want to add permalink, and your permalink examples also have been given here, and you will write that permalink, and that permalink will be assigned to that product which will you insert. So it is very latest functionality which have been inside here. And the second thing is these features, you will write here product description, then you will write here the feature description. I would like to show you. If I come here, this is the feature description, system requirement description, and sound and videos. I come back here, and you will write here features description, and then here you will write the system requirements, and you will write sound and videos. Paste your YouTube video embed code or SoundCloud audio. You will just paste here the YouTube embed video code, and your video will be shown inside your theme, inside the sounds and videos. So this new functionality also has been added in this updated theme. And here you will write the product price, this will be the sale price, and product MSRP price will be the real price. And you will select the manufacturer. Here you can select any manufacturer. Here from here you will select any category, and you will select any type. Then you will choose 1, 2, 3 any image. If you do not choose any image, then only this message will be shown that no image. If I go to the shop page once again, and I would like to show you there's some no image, this message will be shown here. If you choose one image, then only one image will be shown. Then here you will write you will choose the product label. These are the labels. These labels will be selected here through admin panel very easily. And friend, if I would like to show you one thing more. If I go to insert products, you will select product price here, and you will select the product MSRP price. I have told you already. If I go to the view products, now you can watch all the products here. Product title, product image, product price, product sold, that how many times this product has been sold, product keywords, product date. You can delete the product, and you can update that product. If I click over edit, you will change the title, you will change the permalink, you will change the description, features, system requirements, sound, everything you will change. You will change the image, you will change the manufacturer, you will be able to change the category, you will be able to change the types, you will be able to change these images and show the other two images, and you will be able to remove this image also. This remove functionality also has been added, which was not added first in this firstly made theme, because I have updated it due to some request of some students and clients. So friend, these functionalities also have been added. If I click on update, then everything will be updated. This alert message will be shown. So friend, now I would like to show you some other things I have. Now this is the company name is being shown. and this is the product name and price. And if I go to once again the titles, and you will be able to show these icons dynamically. I would like to tell you that these icons you will add here unlimited icons. If I come here, if I go to icons page in admin panel and I click over insert icon, you will write here icon title and you will select products. Whatever products you want to give any icon, you will select those products and those icons will be selected automatically, and you will select also the bundles. Here is the select bundles. I would like to show you that you will also make the products bundle, and here you will select the choose file image and click over insert icons. If I go here view icons, then you will be able to watch the icons and icons products, icon images, and you will be able to same way to edit those icons, to change the icon name, change the icon product, change the icon bundle and image, everything, because you have the functionality here of this theme to make the bundles of different products. But in this first theme you would not be able to make the bundles. But if I come here, so I would like to tell you that I made some bundle here, like this is the bundle, beautiful t-shirts bundle. So if I click over view details, so these I did not actually point an image, therefore no image is being shown. To show you, these bundle products are being shown here at the top, at the bottom, sorry, bundle products. So now in this theme you will be able to make bundles. Allegedly I did not insert an image here because I would like to show you that if you do not insert any image, then this message will be shown. This message will be shown because there is no image, therefore these icons are not working. So friend, in this way you will be able to make bundles also, and this functionality has been added which were not made in this first section theme. So now I come here and I click here over this product, over this sweater product. Now, so I would like to show you the terms and condition and other thing, but first I go to admin panel, and these are the bundles relation, assign products to bundle relation. This also one more advanced functionality. If I click over insert relation, here you will write the relation title. You will select here the product, any product, and you can also select a bundle here, and then you will insert relation